Hey everybody, I just got finished doing a little bit of creek fishing here in Maryland. It was a beautiful day to go out, caught some pretty decent fish for a small creek, and yeah, I just hope you enjoy it. Oh, there we go. He's fired up. Ooh, little baby smallmouth. Little tiny baby smallmouth. He's biting. He's fired up. I was hoping to get one of these. Boink. Let's see if there's a bigger one out there that wants to hang out. A little bit of a wind knot. Oh, I'm on. Oh, nice. That's what. Oh boy, he's fired up. This is a little. Get up. Oh boy. Nice. Where have you been, mister? My gosh. Look at him. Wow. Now that's a nice creek bass. Yeah, look at that. Nice little largie in a creek. Oh yeah. I'm not complaining about that. Beautiful fish. Alright, maybe there's... That's why I like coming up here a little bit further. There's definitely some more bass the further you go upstream. Let's see if there's any other ones hanging out here. That was a good fish. I think I am on. Nope. Ooh, I had something chasing it though. Oh, nice fish. For a creek, please stay on. Oh, there he is. He is fired up. That's a smallie, I believe. Yeah. Oh, man. Nice. Nice smallie. Bigger than the other one for sure, but great fish. Thought he was bigger, but these smallmouths, they fight so hard. They're a really good pound for pound fish to catch. And I'm going to throw in the same spot and see if there's another one hanging out over there. It felt bigger when I latched on. I don't know if one came off and then he picked it up, but that was definitely a good fish. Oh, one took a shot at it right at the end there. One more cast over there. I can't help myself. I usually don't fish this little portion of the creek. I usually walk in a little bit farther up, but it's just so overgrown. I figured out, why not? But yeah, happy I did. That's good. We caught a couple of bass. Nice largemouth. 2 pretty decent creek smallies. And hopefully there's some other ones up here a little further. Oh, right at the end. Boink. Nice. Boink. He nabbed that right at the end there. I almost had that reeled in. Let's see if there's any others hanging out over here. Oh, there's one. Little guy. Little guy. Boink. Oh, bluegill. Oh boy. They are stacked over there. Got another one. He's fired up. Oh. Beautiful fish. Boink! Let's see if there's another one hanging out over there. Just 2. Alright. Oh, I got one on. Just a little guy. You get that as soon as it hit the water. He is lively. Just a little guy. He's all fired up. Beautiful. Look at that red on that tail. Boink. See you later. Oh, definitely a bigger fish. He's a pig. Look at the size of this one. And that's right on the next cast. Look at the beautiful color on that. That's why this creek fishing's so fun. If the bite's on, you can catch a fish every few casts, every other cast, every 3 casts. But yeah, nice big sunfish. Boink. Oh, another one. Oh, he came off, I think. Oh, he came off. That would have been 3 in a row. But just like I was saying, you know, you get on them in these little creeks. Oh, there's one right there. You're going to have yourself some fun doing this. Oh, there he is. Boink. Oh, foul hooked him. Well, he came off, and then he's a big boy. Holy moly. Look at the size of that one. It's a good one. Boink. Tell you what a beautiful, beautiful day to be out here. So, thanks for watching if you made it this far. This was the first video I did, so I know the quality wasn't too great, and I definitely could have did better. But it's a learning experience, and that's the fun part about it. But I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Get out there, be active, be happy.